Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young shepherd boy named Yon. Yon loved looking after his sheep. Every morning, he would lead them to the green meadows and make sure they had plenty of grass to eat and water to drink. Yon had a little flute, and he liked to play music while his sheep grazed. The soft notes of his flute made the sheep feel calm and happy. Yon was very proud of his job. He felt like a true guardian of his flock. One sunny day, Yon was sitting on a rock, watching his sheep and playing his flute. He felt a bit bored and thought it would be fun to play a trick. So, he took a deep breath and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf chasing my sheep." The villagers heard his cries and ran up the hill with sticks and tools to chase away the wolf. But when they got there, they saw the sheep grazing peacefully and Yon laughing. The villagers were not happy. "Don't cry wolf when there is no wolf, Yon. It's not a good joke," they said and went back to their work. Yon felt a little guilty but also found it funny. A few days later, Yon was bored again. He thought about how the villagers had run up the hill last time. It made him laugh, and he decided to shout, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf chasing my sheep." Once more, again, the villagers rushed up the hill. They were angry when they saw there was no wolf. "Yon, do not cry wolf when there is no wolf. One day, there might be a real wolf, and we won't believe you," they warned and left. Yon felt a bit bad this time. But he still did not fully understand the villagers' warnings. A week later, as Yon was watching his sheep, he saw something moving in the bushes. His heart skipped a beat when a real wolf jumped out and started chasing his sheep. Yon was very scared. He shouted at the top of his lungs, "Wolf! Wolf! Help! There's a real wolf chasing my sheep." But this time, the villagers did not come. They thought Yon was playing another trick. The wolf chased and scared the sheep until they scattered in every direction. Yon was very sad and worried. When the villagers finally came up the hill at the end of the day, they saw Yon crying and the sheep missing. There really was a wolf this time, Yon said with tears in his eyes. The villagers helped Yon gather the scattered sheep. Luckily, none were hurt. The wise old village chief placed a hand on Yon's shoulder and said, "Yon, now you understand why we should always tell the truth. If people cannot trust your words, they will not help when you really need it." Yon nodded and promised never to cry wolf again unless there was truly a wolf. From that day on, Yon was known for being a truthful and trustworthy shepherd. He took care of his sheep with great care, and the villagers knew they could always count on him. And so, Yon learned an important lesson: always tell the truth, because trust is precious.